So hi everyone, question like to find the focal length of a concave mirror, Sita should choose which one of the following. So it is very like a common question like to form an image. Basically, one screen is required. Screen. What is the use of a screen? A screen. On a screen, image is formed. If a screen is not there, then how will you form an image? Okay, so screen is there. One holder. Holder is just like this. Mirror holder, just like this. This just like a at the base it is fixed. So in this we are fixing our lens, just like this. This is our lens. Okay. One bench table, one measuring scale. So it is a measuring scale. Clear. Now we place in this lens holder we place our lens. Okay, like this. And here at the back one screen is that screen. Clear. Now object is placed left. Object is here. It is just like it may be like pointed and or like this. Any object. Okay. It's just like object. This is object. This is lens holder. In this lens holder we have a any mirror. Lens holder or mirror holder. In our case it is holder. Simple. This is mirror. Here mirror will be there. Here. This is screen. So this is V. Image distance. This is object distance. Clear? So with the help of this, we can, after knowing u, because I will place my object, I will get the value of u. And this is the measuring scale. Scale. Measuring scale. So to find focal length, what is the formula of focal length? 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. So after getting the screen, I will get v. V where v is formation takes place, where image formation takes place. Image formation takes place where you will see crystal clear image. Okay, focus is clear, very sharp image. If you see in the screen, then we say there is a that distance is known as v. Okay, you will get your object where is that is known. V is also known. After in experimentation you will get a v with the help of this v where sharp image is formed, that is v. Just put all these value, you will get a f. F is focal length. So answer is D. Option D. I hope it is clear. If any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. I am ready to help you out. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.